Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study medicine in us. Start by building a weekly schedule that splits topics into focused 3 to 5 hour blocks and uses active recall every day. Mix high-yield review with practice questions and short, timed self-tests. Track progress weekly and adjust topics based on weakest exam scores. Keep study sessions consistent and protect sleep and breaks to sustain focus. Gather reliable resources early and commit to a small set you will actually finish. Pick one core textbook, one question bank, and one concise video series to reduce overwhelm. Convert your notes into flashcards and schedule daily reviews using spaced repetition. Balance concept learning with timed question blocks to simulate exam conditions. Keep resource lists short and rotate materials based on performance data and confidence levels. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides like this. Quick recommendation: grab a pair of darn tough socks for long study sessions because they are super comfortable and come with a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing study marathons or long hospital shifts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Build strong daily habits that favor consistency over cramming. Begin with a 30-minute review of flashcards, then tackle the hardest topics when you are freshest. Use focused 50-minute sessions, followed by 10-minute breaks to maintain energy, and finish with a block of timed practice questions. Record mistakes and revisit them in your next review cycle to turn weaknesses into strengths gradually and reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.